What's up, everybody? Good afternoon. Daily market up or down? The market is down. So happy days are here again. And no worries, we're not even close to the top, right? So let's check out the brokerage. And we didn't sell anything. Market was down, no surprise there. We had some that were kind of close, but we have $64.30 to spend. So let's get that going. Now, if you recall on your trading plan, which you should have written down and memorized, when we have an opportunity to buy when the market is down, we're looking for the reverse snowball, which is smallest positions first. And it's not by how many shares you have, it's by the dollar amount. So the lowest position we have here is Tapestry, and that's Coach Purse's. That's how I remember it. And we'll go through these, and all we're really trying to see is, can we find a situation where we have under a 30 RSI, and we do here. And we've already qualified this lead here, so 27.39. Patience is being tested, isn't it? It's been a long time since we bought this. But if you can see here, we bought at $30. And if you do the average, it takes our average down pretty substantially. So 27.39. And we have all of our day trades. Everything's cool. So we will put the round trip order in. All right. This platform is too fancy for me. But first trigger's the second. We'll get through it. And a struggle at best. We're trying to buy one, but we want to sell both of them. Okay, so 27.39. Limit, good till cancel with extended hours. All right. Now, if you add these up, divide by 2, that'll get your average. It's also right here. Take that number times 1.01. That will get you the sell target that I like. And we'll throw that in as well. So pause the video if you need to do your own math, but please do figure it out for yourself. All right. So the beauty of the whole system, though, is you can truly set it and forget it. Okay. So on to the next one. VGR. And we'll just go through these and we'll just see if they are under the 30 RSI, right? This one is not. No big deal. Raytheon Tech. Negative, right? Conagra Foods. People like to eat, especially Americans. Something just triggered, so we probably just got filled on our buy order. That is above 30 RSI. Nu Skin. It is, right? So 1836 on news. And this one really tanked, right? So this is something where your mental strengths will come into play. How much conviction do you have in the process? So on and so forth. Hopefully At this point, we got to buy trigger 2739. Beautiful. We're in. Now we need new skin. But hopefully after you've seen this for a year, you have a little conviction that this kind of works, right? So at first it's natural to be skeptical, but over time you either get on the bus or off the bus. First triggers a second. We still have plenty of day trades. We're going to buy one. And then sell some. I don't know how many we have here. Let's do our math here. So apparently we have 6 of them. If you add them up, divide by 6, that will get you your average, but it's also right here. And you can see we were buying this thing at $25, almost $28, and we're down to 23 on the average. So we've lowered our cost basis 10%, which is the edge in the market. So if you want to beat the market or make money in the markets, you need an edge, and math is our edge. You need the cash flow because you have to continue to buy. So 6 of them. Go ahead and pause the video, figure out your sell price. Good deal cancel with extended hours, as always. And we're going to try to sell 6 of them. Wow, just totally just reset everything. All right. I believe that's right. Buy 1, sell 6. Hit it. All right. So now we have $18 left. So when you look at the trade price, we've already done BGR. We don't have enough money to buy any of these, okay? But we have $18.55 left. And a lot of you will say, all right, let's call it. And those are the folks that probably will not follow through on anything in their life. You have to go all in. So let's just take a look. It doesn't cost anything to look, which is something I've heard more times in my life than I care to admit. Come up humble beginnings, you know. And that's why I work so hard to change that for future generations in my family tree. All right, so I think that's pretty well it, right? And price under 20, we only got 18 bucks. So let's take a peek. A10 Camping World. We're going to look first to see if there's anything in our, there's new skin. Anything in our universe. We don't have anything. So we'll just go top to bottom. And what you can see here is a 30 into 2. If you add these together, divide by 2 is at a 15. So it's not anything crazy of a value, but it does fit. You also have this cliff. No debt. I haven't made any money in the last 5 years. That's a red flag. All right. Camping World. Those are the stores along the interstates have the huge American flags. That's how I always remember them. But if you have a 19, which is, we'll round that up to 20, plus 8, into 2 is a 14. Nice dividend, but here, look at this debt. This is not a risk we want to take on. Okay. EBIX. I think we've done this one before. Low PEs. Dividend, debt's reasonable, and the future outlook is good, even though the current and past outlook not that great. We'll go ahead and take this one, 668. We'll leave it all on the core. Come on, I got a little computer lag. I got pretty cheap setup here, but we're making it work. We're gonna buy one. First trigger's the second. And don't worry about, oh, I'm not gonna waste my day trade on a $6 stock. Just go with it, man. Just freaking go with it. Alright, so what's going on here? 665 seems to be the closing print. So we'll go ahead and adjust here. There's no sense in overpaying, especially 3% is 3 cents is 0.5% here. So 665. We're lagging out here. Unexpected errors. Yeah, I know. 665. Here's your closing print here. Times 1.01 will get you your sell target, which is going to be a 71. Make 6 pennies. And you think, well, why even bother? Because 6 pennies is better than no pennies. Don't be ungrateful. And there is value mentally in staying in flow. 660 on the buy. So we did actually get cheaper than expected. Which was shown by the bid and ask spread, but we just went ahead and put our order in as normal. And that's that. So we're out of day trades, but we do have $11.95 left. So let's continue through the list. We just follow the system. Follow the system. We have enough for this one. Invesco. We have these stupid cheesy commercials with the lady getting in a bathtub with her shorts on for the Invesco QQQ. But it's just asset management. But it's very well known, nice dividend, reasonable debt, low PEs, and it's rolling. So let's roll with it. Ooh, that one says 1333. Do we have that much? Let's take a look. It doesn't cost anything to look. Makes me gag when I hear that. I want to be able to buy whatever the hell I want. $13, we don't have it. So we're done. That's a full day in the system. I do want to provide just a little bit of big picture before we shut the video off here. And it has to do with the choppiness of the current market conditions. And I do want to show you can see the dotted line is the current price. And so if you go back here, this is June, the 1st of June, week and a half in, whatever. And the market has went nowhere since June, okay? But I do want to provide you a little bit of big picture to show you that if you go to June and you pull all this out on a $700 account, we're over 5% up, okay? So there is no system that is perfect, okay? When the market starts to shoot straight up, and it will, I think soon, but nobody knows. We will get left in the dust on this trading account. However, our investing account will get those gains, and that's why we have a 2-account system here. But meanwhile, we have had months like September where the market went down, right? And we were still able to pull cash out of the market. So if the market goes sideways, which I just showed you, or down, like we saw in September, we make money. And if the market goes up, we get left in the dust. But like Meatloaf said, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. And on the third one, we have the investment account. So that's the reason why we have the 2 accounts. Hopefully that helps bring things home for you. And it's a nice, easy 2-account system that will provide some kind of benefit for all market conditions. And that's what I'm trying to express to y'all. Again, if you're a beginner, I urge you to maybe at least take a look at the next video, which will be the main account. But don't take any action. Just treat it as an educational experience. The difference with that account is I got tons of money. So I can buy whatever the hell I want. But you can see on this account, I'm using as a total cash account. There is no margin. There's none of the sneaky stuff. I am taking it to the freaking limits. You know, when market conditions open up, I'm aggressive. But I'm confident, and you should be too, after over a year, 300 some videos down the road, that you might have to sit on stock for a while, but while you do, you're going to collect the dividend. So I hope this is helpful to you. I hope you have a great day. This was a little bit longer than usual, but as it averages out, it's not a big time commitment. We had the last, 3 days were high buy, market's up. So invest in yourself. I want the best for each and every one of you, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.